Okay, everyone, whenever you are in my house, never ever tamper with my fire alarms. That is a big no no. You don't ever do that. If you tamper with my fire alarms when you are in my house, you will get into serious trouble, you will get fined, and you will get arrested by the police. And if you don't get arrested by the police, you will be kicked out of my house and you will never be invited back to my house ever again. Because you are tampering with my fire alarms, and that is not appropriate at all. So, I am dead serious. You leave my fire alarms alone when you are in my house. Bye!